Before we begin this training session, it is important to recognize that every workplace includes people with different abilities, experiences, and needs. Some colleagues may have disabilities or health conditions that affect how they carry out certain tasks. These may include mobility challenges, reduced vision or hearing, learning differences, or long-term medical conditions. Health and safety apply to everyone, and inclusion is an essential part of working safely. Employers have a duty under the Equality Act to make reasonable adjustments so that all employees can work safely and effectively. This might include accessible training materials, clearer labels, adjustable equipment, or additional support where needed. If you have a disability or health condition that could affect your work, you should always inform your supervisor or manager. This allows the correct support and adjustments to be provided. A safe workplace is an inclusive workplace. When we respect and support one another, we create a safer, more professional, and more positive working environment for everyone. Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining this presentation on the crucial role of training in the cleaning industry. In today's world, cleaning is more than just keeping spaces tidy. It plays a vital role in protecting health, maintaining safety, and creating professional environments where people feel comfortable and cared for. Behind every clean and well-maintained space is a skilled cleaning professional who has been professionally trained. Training is what turns everyday tasks into professional standards. It gives people the knowledge, confidence, and pride they need to do their jobs well. When cleaning teams receive training, they work safely, efficiently, and maintain a consistently high quality of service. Clients notice the difference, and staff feel valued. In this presentation, we will explore why training matters, how it improves safety and quality, and how it helps both people and businesses succeed. Let us begin our journey to understand how the right training can raise standards across the cleaning industry. Training matters because cleaning is more than just wiping and mopping. It requires knowledge, skill, and attention to detail. Properly trained cleaning staff consistently deliver high-quality results. They understand the right products to use, how to reduce waste, and how to keep work areas safe. This improves efficiency and protects both the company and the client. A trained cleaning operative also feels more confident, and that confidence shows in their work. Mistakes are reduced, and standards stay high. When a building appears and feels well maintained, clients take notice, and this trust contributes to the growth of your business. To put it simply, training benefits the employee, the business, and the client. A well-trained team is intelligent and effective. Staff members receive training on cleaning techniques and the importance of each step. They are aware of the science underlying cleaning agents and the rationale behind certain techniques. They are better able to organize their work and make efficient use of their time as a result. Skilled employees understand how to plan their work, set up equipment, and complete a task logically. They waste less material and commit fewer errors. For the client, that translates into fewer downtime, less expenses, and better outcomes. Efficiency is about doing things well the first time, not about hurrying. The entire operation functions smoothly, safely, and professionally when the employees are competent and self-assured. In every cleaning activity, safety should come first. Employees who receive training are better equipped to safeguard both themselves and others. Among other things, it entails knowing how to utilize personal protective equipment, PPE, handling chemicals safely, and comprehending control of substance hazardous to health, COSHH. To ensure they know what to do in the event of an emergency, operators are also trained in manual handling and emergency protocols. However, safety training contributes to the development of a safety culture and is more than just information. Accidents are decreased when everyone assumes responsibility and keeps an eye out for potential dangers. Employees begin to anticipate problems and identify hazards before they become dangerous. Everyone remains healthy, self-assured, and prepared to work when there is a culture of safety. When operatives are well trained, they feel secure in their abilities. This confidence results in greater work and better outcomes. The difference is immediately apparent to clients when cleaning is done with care and regularity. An experienced cleaner can manage difficulties, communicate their work well, and take pride in their work. This increases the cleaning companies and the client's trust. Contracts and new business can be secured with the support of that trust over time. Delivering confidently high-quality work builds a reputation for excellence. Your workforce will be better equipped and more confident to represent your business thanks to training. There is no single way to train cleaning staff. People learn in different ways, so the best training uses a mix of methods. Classroom learning is great for understanding the theory, things like cleaning standards, health and safety, and company procedures. Online training is flexible and can be done anytime, which makes it perfect for refresher courses. Hands-on training is the most practical part, where staff apply what they have learned and receive immediate feedback. The best results often come from a blended approach, combining all three. This way, staff learn the what, the why, and the how, leading to real confidence and long-term skill. Classroom learning builds the foundation for all other types of training. This is where new employees are introduced to the company's values, safety rules, and cleaning standards. In the classroom, learners can discuss ideas, ask questions, and share experiences. They also learn about COSHH, personal protective equipment, and the importance of following procedures. This helps them understand not only what to do but also why it matters. A strong classroom session prepares staff for real-life situations. It builds understanding and sets clear expectations before they move on to hands-on practice. When theory and knowledge come first, practical training becomes more meaningful and effective. Hands-on training is where everything comes together. It gives staff the chance to practice what they have learnt in real working conditions. Supervisors can observe and offer guidance, helping to correct any mistakes early on. This builds confidence and develops safe working habits. Trainees learn how to use equipment correctly, measure chemicals safely, and follow proper cleaning steps. They also gain experience in problem-solving and time management. Real practice builds real confidence. It turns knowledge into action and ensures that staff can deliver high-quality results in any environment. Practice really does make perfect. Training may seem like an expense, but in reality, it saves money in the long run. When staff are properly trained, they waste fewer products, avoid damaging equipment, and make fewer costly mistakes. They also work more efficiently, completing jobs correctly the first time. This reduces rework and saves time. Well-trained teams also stay longer because they feel valued and supported, which lowers staff turnover. Every mistake avoided and every hour saved adds up to real savings for the business. Investing in training is one of the smartest ways to improve performance and protect profit. Training is not only about performance, it also supports health and well-being. Clean environments reduce germs, dust, and allergens that can cause illness. When cleaning is done properly, everyone benefits, from staff to clients and visitors. A well-trained team works more safely and confidently, which reduces stress. Pride in doing a good job also improves mental well-being. People feel better when they know their work makes a real difference. A clean, healthy workplace creates a positive atmosphere where everyone can do their best. Training helps make that possible. Receiving training is not a one-time occurrence. The investment in people and quality is something that is continuous. Employees are required to continue their education in order to stay up with the ever-evolving cleaning products, equipment, and safety standards. Training on a regular basis guarantees that your team is always up to date and prepared to engage in new challenges. In addition, it demonstrates that the organization places a high importance on personal growth. It is easier for employees to perform at their best when they feel supported and encouraged to improve. When you make an investment in training today, you are building a stronger, safer, and more successful organization for the future. As a result of continuous learning, constant improvement is achieved. As a participant in this discussion about the significance of training in the cleaning industry, I would want to express my gratitude. Remember to take an opportunity to reflect on your own place of employment. Are there any areas in which the training may be strengthened or brought up to date? Discuss your ideas with the management and talk to the members of your team. Teamwork is essential to effective training. When every single person contributes, we are able to lift the bar together. When we invest in people, we invest in making sure that our job is of high quality, safe, and enjoyable. Let us all continue to educate ourselves, provide support to one another, and work together to create a brighter future for the cleaning industry. If you would like to access further training modules, please subscribe. We are also open to suggestions of what other training you feel would benefit you and our industry. Thank you for taking part, and see you again.